Today we're working in the Managerial Accounting full course. We're working on the cash flow statement. This is chapter 13 for us, and we're doing financing activities on the cash flow statement. Hey, if you're new, my name is Jeff from Finally Learn. We're working our way through the Managerial Accounting course here in January of 2026, so please like, comment, subscribe, join us. Let's get started with this problem. Now, what do we know about financing activities? Financing activities are anything having to do with stockholders' equity, so issuing stock or repurchasing stock, dividends, could be common stock, could be preferred stock, anything to do with long-term debt, so issuing bonds, repaying long-term notes, borrowing on a long-term note, so on. So let's look at this problem and let's build the financing activity section of statement of cash flows. Now here's what we have. We have lots of information, and I'm going to build at the bottom the financing activity section. Here's what we have for the Flesher Company. We have net income, and so one of the things we need to evaluate is this a financing activity, or is this operating or investing or whatever? So if we did net income, that's operating. So we're not going to use this on this problem. Purchase of a truck is investing, so we're not going to use that. So kind of out of the gate here, we have two that we don't need. Issuing common stock, that is a financing activity. So what we're going to do is we're going to just copy this down and say issued common stock, and the amount is $102,000. Now we have to think about this. Does this mean our cash goes up or our cash goes down? We issued common stock, we sold it for cash, so therefore our cash goes up. So $102,000 is positive. All right, the next thing that happens is sale of land. Well, land is investing activity, so we don't need this at all. So investing activity, forget that, right? We have, next thing we have is cash dividends paid. That is an equity. So cash dividends paid. Now this came out of our pocket as a reduction in cash, so that's going to be a negative $26,300. The next is we repaid long-term notes payable. So long-term notes payable is a long-term debt, and that's going to be a minus $74,200. Well, what if the next thing we did was we purchased treasury stock. And when you go in the market and you buy back some of your own stock, that's treasury stock. So here we purchased our own stock, and it's called treasury stock. When we do that, that's going to be a negative $38,700. Okay? So here's our answer. We have cash flows from financing activities of negative $37,200. Okay, now what if we had one more thing and it said something like we purchased land by issuing common stock, and the amount is $500,000. Well, this would be a non-cash investing and financing activity. So buying land is investing, but issuing stock is financing, but there's no stock, there's no cash transaction here. There's no cash that's received or paid or whatever. So that would be a non-cash investing and financing activity. Hey, I hope this is helpful. Please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.